If you run a retail store and you purchase stock from Shimano Australia, this video is for you. I'm going to do a very quick demonstration on how you go about loading your invoices into our point of sale program. You can see here I've got an invoice from Shimano, I've got a few different products on it, and yeah, you've essentially got the invoice. So if you want to load that into your point of sale system so that you're updating stock levels, changing pricing, and having products in there so you can sell them essentially, it is incredibly easy to do, specifically using our new AI tools. So to load that invoice in, all I've got to do from my main screen here, you go to stock and invoice arrivals. Across the top in your invoice arrivals screen, you've got AI import. Now, this is a relatively new feature that we put in. You can now select a file. So I can go select, I'm going to choose my Shimano invoice, and there's my preview on the left. You can resize this to have a closer look at it. I'm just going to drag it over and make it a bit smaller there. All I've got to do from here is hit analyze. We then use AI to analyze the information on that invoice and load it into the system. Now, I've never loaded any Shimano invoices into this particular database I'm using. So it's just saying, hey, do you want to create a new supplier? I could say no to that and I could link it to an existing one if I had actually purchased from them before. But I'm going to say yes, create a new one, and that's going to walk me through the wizard. It's automatically putting the supplier's details in there because it found it in the file. I'm going to put in a default department, so I'm just going to put it into hardware just for the sake of it. I can finish that off. So I've added the supplier in, and that's now rolled through, and it's added all of the products onto that invoice for me. So you can see there to put the barcodes in, the stock codes, descriptions, put them all into hardware because that's what I told it to do with Shimano gear, but I can still change any of this information. It's got my quantities, my cost, and my retail. If I do want to sell these products online, I've got my web store price to be set slightly different, so it's calculated that for me as well. And if I want to save this process, all I've got to do is add these products in with one final step and save it, and my job's done. So this invoice, with having, what have I got, 6 or 7 products on it, I can have that loaded in a matter of seconds. Even if that had hundreds of items, I can have that loaded into my system incredibly quickly. If you're an existing customer of ours, we encourage you to start using these facilities. If you're not a customer of ours today, feel free to reach out to us via sales@towersystems.com.au. We'd be more than happy to demonstrate how our whole system works. This is just one snippet of the functionality we offer and how we can help you in your business. Thanks for watching.